Hey, so in this video I'm going to discuss using the hole punches on the Galaxy S models as a notification light. So an app that's been out for maybe a year or so was recently updated to support the punches on the latest phones. So yeah, as you can sort of see in mine's, there's like a slight gray one around my double hole punch, but I'm going to show that there are other options. You know, you can animate it too actually, but right now I have it in static setting. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what you can do with this hole punch. First, you can change the thickness. I think you can see that, right? You can change the thickness, the animation, so you can sort of see that it's moving around. Some of these are animated, not all of them. But yeah, you can sort of see. So you can have your phone animated right there around your hole punch if that's what you're into. You can change a lot of the settings. I haven't really gone into depth with it, but yeah, you do have a lot of things you can do. You can have 3 colors, change the speed of the animation. You can have a solid color, which is what I had left it on at first. But yeah, as you can sort of see, let me bring it a little closer. You can see right now there are 2 colors that are sort of going around the hole punch. You're gonna make it multiple colors. It's pretty easy to use, and it is free at this time. It's probably a paid in-app purchase, I believe. But yeah, I just wanted to sort of show this, that this app was updated recently. It's pretty cool. It has a lot of settings. You can make it really thin like this, which I think looks pretty nice. So yeah, I'm probably gonna play with this feature a little more. I think I sort of prefer it. It's like a solid grayish, like silverish color. But yeah, if you have an S10, you might want to check out this app. I'm gonna definitely leave a link in the description for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.